Hello again, and here we are from Blue Collar Bobbers. We wanted to do this video to show exactly how just a real basic bolt-on bobber conversion would look. On this bike, all we did is we just painted the rear fender to match the stock front fender and gas tank. We just did the very, very minimum on this bike. We even wrapped just the stock exhaust on it. If you'll notice, the rims are just stock, suspension stock. We do have our new side covers in place on this because this is a 1996 Honda Shadow 600. So this one has like I say, just the stock pipes, so it's kind of quiet, but it's real nice riding. Like I say, this is the most basic version you can do on this bike with our bolt-on kit. I only have about 6 to 8 hours total in this bike, so there you have it. It's a Honda 600 Shadow, and the kit is from bluecollarbobbers.com. Check us out. The 6 Honda Shadow 600, so this one has like I say, just the stock pipes, so it's kind of quiet, but it's real nice ride. Hello again, and here we are from Blue Collar Bobbers. We wanted to do this video to show exactly how just a real basic bolt-on bobber conversion. Like I say, this is the most basic version you can do on this bike with our bolt-on kit. I only have about 6 to 8 hours total in this bike, so there you have it. Would look. On this bike, all we did is we just painted the rear fender to match the stock front fender and gas tank. We just did the very, very minimum on this bike. We even wrapped just the stock exhaust on it. If you'll notice, the rims are just stock, suspension stock. We do have our new side covers in place on this because this is a 1990